Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Crypto Bounty, your hub of free mining apps. Here today we'll bring before you a project DOP, which is Data Ownership Protocol. Many of us participated in the testnet and we already withdrew our tokens. Some already staked them for more profit. Now they are giving us another opportunity to gain some points from their mainnet campaign. So if you know you missed the testnet, do not miss the mainnet. So we shall guide you on how to participate in this mainnet campaign. So when you get the link from the description of this video or from our Telegram channel, paste the link in your browser. If you are using mobile phone, you can use Kiwi browser or Mrs. browser. Here I'm using Kiwi browser, but if you are using your laptop or desktop, you can use Chrome browser. So when you get the link, paste it, you have this interface before you. The first thing, you must have created your MetaMask extension. The video on how to do that will be in the description of this video, so you can see our MetaMask here. And as it will always advise, for new projects, always create new wallet for new project. But for those of us who participated in the testnet, it's just a suggestion or my own opinion that we use the same wallet we used to participate in the testnet to participate in this mainnet campaign. So when you copy the link and paste it in your browser, you have this interface before you. We can see two options: create wallet and import wallet. We are going to choose the first option. We are going to create wallet. So we'll click create wallet. Before then, tick this box to accept the terms of use and privacy policy, then click create wallet. This interface will open before you. Set a password. Once you set the password, click connect wallet, then click wallet connect. So you have this option, click select wallet. So the MetaMask extension wallet on the browser seems not to be working after many attempts. So use the normal MetaMask, download your MetaMask from Play Store or App Store, and then set it up and link your DOP mainnet account with it. So we are going to click connect. Now that it's connected, we'll go back to our browser. Click submit. And here we have this. So you can see a secret recovery phrase. Please keep this safe. Do not reveal it to anyone. So you can see the warning not to share your secret phrase with anyone. After that, after copying it in a secure place, click the next button, and then you are to rearrange the secret phrase to be sure you got them correctly. Once you arrange them correctly, then click OK and done. Congratulations. So click done. So this time around, we have to enter a password again to log in. So the next thing, we are going to have this interface before us. So we are not doing encryption. The encryption has to do with paid investment, has to do with some investment. So we are not interested in this. We are going to simply close it. So we are going to have this interface before us. You're going to see everything reading 00, total points, nothing. So to get your referral link, just click this place, referral link, click, and then copy your referral link, share it with others. After that, come up here, you can see my badges, click it, and you're going to see the different badges we have to gain. We have the social badges, we have the encrypt badges, we have the send badges, and the NFT badges. Apart from the social badges, all other badges have to do with investments. So we are not going to concern ourselves with this place downward. We'll be interested in only the social badges. So we are going to connect our Telegram, our X account, our Discord, our email. So the first thing to do is to touch this verify for Telegram. Now this is it. Just click accept. It takes you back to the page. Then click go to DOP's Telegram. So it brings you to this Telegram. Click join. Once you click join, go back. Then click verify again. And this time around, click accept. And then you can say congratulations. This has been completed, verified. The next thing is our X account. So click follow on X. So once this interface opens up, click authorize app. So it brings us here, and you can see this has been completed as well. So the next thing is to do email verification. So come here, click start verification. And then we are going to input our email here, email address. Then click submit. So a code will send to our inbox. So here is the code. Click it, open it. Copy the code. Go back to the page. And then paste the code here. And then click verify email. Congratulations. You can see our email has been verified. So click go to badges again. Takes us back to our badges. Then the next is to do the Discord verification. So all we have to do is to click join Discord. So we have this interface before us. We'll click authorize. For the Discord task, we'll realize that if we click join, it takes us to the Discord page to open up to authorize, but after that it brings us back without anything. So we'll keep trying and keep trying. So for now, even this one is locked and the Discord task is not getting completed. So for now, let us do the three: the Telegram, the X, and the email. With this, you can able to gather 900 points. Share your referral link and then gain more points for this. Do not take this for granted. Try your best to gather no matter how little the points you can gather. So this is all we have for you today. Till we come your way again next time, remember yours faithfully, Crypto Bounty.